Hi guys, welcome to Pulyadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make chicken sandwich and fries. This is such an easy recipe and it will be very useful for students. When I am lazy to cook, I just make this chicken sandwich for my family and my kids like it a lot. I'm going to use frozen chicken patties and frozen fries. Believe it or not, this chicken sandwich is so tasty that you're going to love it. It's as good as the sandwiches you get at McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, or anywhere else you like. So let's learn how to make this. We need chicken patties. I have bought Tyson brand chicken patties, burger buns, mayonnaise, one big tomato, and one lettuce. We need vegetable oil to fry the chicken patties. Wash the tomato and slice it like this, and wash the lettuce and remove the outer layer and cut like this and keep. Instead of chicken patties, you can use vegetarian patties and make sandwiches in the same way. To make the fries, I am going to use Orida brand Golden Crinkles. And we need tomato ketchup for the fries. And I am going to show you two methods to make the fries. First method is frying the fries in a pan with oil, so we need oil. And the second method, we are going to bake the fries in the oven. The instructions to make the fries is given on the back side. You can follow that also. First, let's fry the chicken patties in a pan. For this, you can pour some vegetable oil in a big shallow pan and switch on the stove. When the oil gets hot, slowly add the chicken patties one by one to the pan. I am making 4 sandwiches for my family today, so I am going to fry 4 chicken patties. Heat on low medium flame for 3 minutes on one side, and then you can flip it to the other side and cook for another 3 minutes. Please do not cook on high flame because the patties will get burnt. Flip the chicken patties a couple of times and cook for 1 or 2 minutes, and then it will be done. The packet instructions do not tell you to fry the chicken patties in oil, but I prefer this way because the chicken patties become nice and crispy. Once the chicken patties are cooked, you can switch off the stove and you can transfer the chicken patties to a plate with a paper towel so it can drain off the extra oil. The chicken patties are done, and let's keep it aside for 5 minutes so it will cool down. In the meantime, switch on the stove on medium flame and we can warm the buns. In a pan, you can add the buns to heat them. Heat on low medium flame on one side for a minute, and then you can flip it to the other side and heat for another minute. Flip it one more time and you can switch off the stove and you can remove the buns from the pan to a plate. Let's make the sandwich now. Keep everything ready, and we are going to apply mayonnaise first to the buns. Spread the mayonnaise like this to the buns. You can add the lettuce like this and keep. Add a tomato slice to this. Add the chicken patty and you can close the sandwich. Your mouth-watering crispy chicken sandwich is ready, and now let's learn how to make the fries. Let's learn the first method. We are going to fry the fries in a shallow pan. Switch on the stove on medium flame, and in a big 12-inch pan you can add oil and then you can add the fries to fry them. We are going to fry them for about 7 to 10 minutes, stirring them occasionally. Stir them nicely and cook so all the fries will get cooked evenly. Stirring the fries, cook on medium flame for about 10 minutes until it becomes golden brown. Once it's done, you can switch off the stove and transfer the fries to a plate with a paper towel so the extra oil will be drained in the paper towel. First method to make the fries is done, so let's learn the next method. In the next method, we are going to bake the fries in the oven. So we are going to preheat the oven at 425 degrees. Once the oven reaches 425 degrees, you can place the fries in the baking pan and then put them in the oven. I usually wrap the baking pan with aluminum foil so it's easy for me to clean the pan after cooking. I'm going to use the full bag of fries, so I'm going to bake them for 25 minutes. After 10 minutes in the oven, I usually mix them around so it will be heated evenly. Please be careful because it will be very hot, and if you are not comfortable doing this in the oven, you can remove it outside and mix it and then put it back in the oven. After 25 minutes, you can switch off the oven and remove the fries from the oven. Cool it and serve. Your world famous chicken sandwich and fries from the Puliadi's kitchen are ready to enjoy. Your kids will definitely enjoy this sandwich and fries, so please make this and enjoy with your family. Thank you.